So friends, hello everyone. Our journey continues in Dubai. The next day after visiting the Dubai frame, we decided to visit the Dubai Marina area, which can be reached, including by metro, which we did on this beautiful day. Friends, we actually got on the subway at the Safariality station. Now we are going towards Dubai Marina. We'll probably take a walk along the Marina Mall. Let's see what's there. Because it's still pretty hot outside for another 3 hours. At about 4 o'clock, we will probably already move out for a walk along the Dubai Marina. That's something like that. Here is a reality station in Sabqa, so the road is quite interesting. As soon as you go out, in general, through some air-conditioned room to the street, it seems as if some kind of heat gun begins to hover over you, yes, from above. But then when you get covered, then it becomes more or less easier. But, of course, you can't stand such heat for a long time, respectively, you have to move quite quickly. So, let's move on. We'll stay at Dubai Marina Mall for a while, then we'll go outside. Dubai Marina Mall is a modern shopping mall with many retail outlets, restaurants and cinemas. Dubai Marina is a vibrant and iconic coastal complex located in the heart of Dubai. The United Arab Emirates, stretching for more than 3 kilometers along the coastline of the Persian Gulf. It is one of the most popular residential and tourist destinations in the world. Having taken it, we decided to take a ride on the local sea transport, on the river. So now let's go buy tickets at the station. There she is. That's where the station is. Blue.